Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed graphics. In graphics we have discussed its importance. After that we have discussed its how many types of mode, skin command, and then how to draw the rectangle or square. Students, again we will review this one, then after that we will start the next topic. So students, now we are just going to share its PDF file. Now students, everyone see. Students, this is the graphics chapter. The graphics we have discussed previous class. A number of operations require diagrammatic outputs. Now we know how to print message. Already you have all of you done. Now this is the modes. Then how many types of modes? Text mode and graphic mode. In this mode, when we talk about the graphics mode, there are first of all start from the skin command. What's the use of the skin command? Skin command decide the row and columns on the skin. This is the used to change the resolution of the skin. The skin have a syntax skin and the types of mode of this one 0, 1 or 2. If you are selecting skin 1, so our skin will be how many columns? 320 columns and 200 rows, and its resolution will be medium resolution graphic mode. Okay students, skin 2, this skin has 640 columns and 200 rows and having a high resolution graphics mode. Skin 0, this command change the screen back to the text mode. Students, this is the skin command. Okay, this practical we have already done. Again we are just telling you students, we have already opened this one. Now 10, review this one, skin 0, then 20 and okay. Now control plus F5, F5 button, then you will see this result. We are just waiting. Okay, this answer. Now screen 2, when you will do skin 1, skin 0 you have done, skin 1. Yes, this output you will see students. Now screen 2, okay, this answer students will come. This output, this the skin will come. Clear students? Students, now we have understood the skin command. Now draw command. Draw command, you have we have draw the square and rectangle. How we can draw students? Again I am repeating students. Okay students, is 10, screen, that is 1 we have taken, 20, draw, quotation marks, then U, suppose you have taken the U 40, quotation mark close, then 30, draw, then R 40, then 40, draw, quotation mark, then D 40, now 50, draw, quotation mark, then L 40, and at last we will write the end option. Okay, now we will see the output. Go on the run command and then run menu, then start. Okay students, we have got this answer. This is a form of a square. And other way also we can write students, I'm telling you. Ten screen same uh, whatever we have written previous, same thing we will write in a line. How we can write students? We have told already these things in previous class. Only I will review this one. Draw D40, then semicolon, R40, then semicolon, then D40, then semicolon, L40, then quotation close. Now at last 30, then end of sum. Okay, same start. Okay, where the problem better? What? D40 is going to up, then R40. Yes, where we are getting the problem better? Just D. Okay, what should be here? Yes, if you are writing, suppose something you have done, huh? You can again you will see what you have done. Here should be U. Okay. Then now see this is students. Okay, students. So what you have done, only place of this you have written the, we have written the D. So then figure has changed. So that figure also can come. Suppose that output we have shown, question has given, and you just write this its command. Then you have to write that way. Clear, students? So this is a square. Now if you want to draw the rectangle, so what you have to do, students, only change here R60, and here L, form of the L, they are 60, and then run command. Yes, this is the form of rectangle. U40, R60, then D40, then L60. Clear, students? So now, students, we can draw the square and rectangle. Now another topic from going to tell next topic here, draw command. Now square and rectangle we have done, students. Next one is EFGH command. Students, EFGH command, these commands are used for drawing diagonal lines. Means with the help of diagonal lines, how we can make this shape. The shape of this given, here is given, also given, student, this command, this figure. How we can make with the help of the diagonal lines. So first of all, EFGH, we have to follow the EFGH line, students. So there is the E. This command means EFGH commands. These commands are used for drawing diagonal lines. First of all, E40, what's the output? We are seeing this output. We'll draw a, students, you can see, we'll draw a line in the upward direction towards the right side. Now students, see the practical, students. Ten screen 1. Okay, 20 screen draw command, then E40 and quotation close. Next 30, then end. Now students, see the answer, what output you will get. Yes, students, what's showing this line? Students, you can see also here this PDF line, the same thing here given. 10 screen 1, this is the F40, before it E40. Okay, there's written upward direction towards the right side. Okay, so here also we have done same thing. See, students. Okay, now next, students, This is completed. E40. How we can draw the diagonal lines? Okay, how we can draw the diagonal lines from upward toward the right side. Now next one is the place of F, E. We will write the F, and this will draw downward direction towards the right side. Okay, so now students, same 10 screen 1, next 20 screen draw, what should we write, student? F 40, then quotation close, 30, that is end. Okay, now we will see the answer by the help of run command. See students, it will be answer, its output. Even see, there is given 10 screen 1, 20 draw F40, 10 end. Will draw a diagonal line in downward direction towards the right side. This is downward direction toward the right side. This is right side. Same thing here, students. Same thing we can see here. This way, same. Clear, students? Now next one, students. We'll draw diagonal lines in downward direction. Okay, we have completed. Now next one is 10 screen 1, 20 draw G40, 30, that is in. We'll draw a diagonal line in downward direction but towards the left side. G4 toward the left side. Student, now everyone see 10 screen 1. Next one is 20. Then students, draw command, and after that students, what we have to do? Which command? Which G40, close quotation, and 30 the end option. Okay, now same, go on run menu and select the start and see the answer, even output. See everyone, this output, whatever we have told this through this PDF file. G40, this line draw will draw a diagonal line toward downward direction towards the left side. So everyone can see the same figure we can see here. See everyone? Okay, getting everyone? So now understood till G40. Now I'm sharing the next one. This is the next one. 10 screen 1, 20 draw H40, and then 30 end. This will draw a diagonal line in upward direction towards the right side. See everyone? Now I'm telling here, students, 10 screen 1, then 20. What should write, students? Draw. This is command, quotation mark, then at last H40, close, and at last 30, then end option. Control plus F5, F5 press or run, go on the start. See one, this output, see one, this output has come, H40. H40 will draw a diagonal line in upward direction toward the right side. Students, like a square and rectangle, whatever we have done, same thing we will do here, students, to draw this one. So see one, the both methods. Okay, this one is completed. Now I am telling the students as combined form. 10 screen 1. We can write students CLS, clear screen. 20, then draw quotation mark, students, start from E40, close it, then 30, draw E, then after that what should write beta? F40, then 40, draw EF, then students we will write the G40, 40, okay. Now 50, draw, then H40, okay. At last we will write the 60 end, okay. Now this whole command is completed, okay students. Now go on the run, start, see what you will see. Yes, this figure we have got. This figure just like a rhombus, okay. You can see students here. Here this is color command, okay. I am showing you. But this figure is known as rhombus, okay. There is given, remember the direction of diagonal lines with the rhombus figure. This is the figure because all sides are equal, that's why we can say it is a form of rhombus, okay. Also, okay students, now if you want to suppose what happen if you will do here, we will write here 60 and here 60, okay. Now go on the run, start, see students everyone what happened. Yes, see this is the form of quadrilateral, but the length and length opposite two sides are equal, means all sides are not equal because we have taken F and H, this is difference we have taken, and E and G we have taken different, so that's why we are getting this figure. Clear students? So using this command we can draw square, rectangle, rhombus and whatever just now we have shown you, okay. So now we have understood this one. Next command students, next is the color command. How to use the color command, whatever we are doing. This command is to change the color of text and graphics. This command is to change the color of text and graphics. Mainly this command used for screen 0 and screen 1 only. Screen 2 graphics are only in black and white. The students just remember that all this command only for the screen 0 and screen 1. If screen 2 if you are going, so screen only will come in black and white. So better we have to use the screen 0 and screen 1. The syntax is given color and n. N means there are how many types of number you can use the color command. There are 0, 1, 2, 3. There are 4 numbers are given. 0 that is the black, 1 for blue, 2 for green and 3 for cyan. How we will write the command students? Again we are repeating students. This command is used to change the color of text and graphics student. And this command only for the screen 0 and screen 1. We cannot use in screen 2. Clear student? Because there are screen, how many screen command we are using? 3. So screen 2 we cannot use because the output will come black and white. So best you have to use the screen 0 screen 1, then you will see the different colors here. Colors, the syntax of color is color n is for the color code, that is the 0, 1, 0 is the black, if color 1 is, then we will get the blue, color 2 that is the green and color 3 that is cyan. We will write this way, 10 CLS for clear screen, 20 screen 1, then color 2 and whatever command we have written before, you know it better. Here not showing the color is, but we can see in our software QBasic, okay. So now students, how we can show, even see Students, here we will start the same 10 CLS. Now start from the CLS. Okay, clear screen. 20 screen. What we will take, beta? 1 or 0? So we will take in the 1. Similarly, 30. We know students. If you want to square, so we will draw this square. Draw. Then start from students. You know U40. Okay, semicolon. Then after U, what will get? D? No, R. R40 students. Then semicolon. Then students D. Very good. D40. Okay. Then semicolon. Then what should we get? L40 left. Okay. Then quotation is close. Next one is 40. What we want to do? Draw color. So students, we can see here color command just below the screen 1. So where we will write, students? Below screen 1. So enter. Here should be 30. Color. What should be? 0, 1, 2, and so we start from 0. And here this should be 40 students. That's why it's the red coming. Okay, this should be 50. Okay, then after that end option. Now what we will see answer in students? Run, start. This is color 0 we have selected. So everyone can see color 0. Color 0, that is 0 is black. Students, one more thing. There are the given COLOUR. Students, you have to write COLOR because your computer understanding on the color spelling is COLOR. So you will not use the U. Clear, students? So COLOR only you will write. So color 0 is black. So we can see the here answer black. Okay, students? If you will change place of color 0, if you will change color 1, what happens, students? Now go on the run, start. See there, this is the color 1 is like a blue. Everyone can see, students, color 1 is a blue. So what? There's blue showing. Okay, students. Now color 2, that is green, color 3 is cyan. Okay, we will see now this option. Okay, this output has come. Now color, place of 1 we will write the 2. Now go on the run, start. See even the answer, this output, same diagram, but here green has come. We have shown issue in the color of 2 as a green. So we can see there is the green. Okay, this output is. Okay, now I'm changing the color 1. But there are 4 options: 0 for black, 1 for green, 1 for that is blue, 2 for green, and 3 for cyan. 3. The same, run. Okay, this is cyan. There cyan is given also, students. 3 is cyan. Okay, so now students, color command we have understood. Okay, with the help of, again I'm telling students. Again I'm writing 10 screen, sorry, CLS. Okay, 20 screen 1, then 30. What should write, students? Color. Color we start from 0, then 40, then draw. Okay, now I'm writing the E. E40 F40, then semicolon, G40, then H40, quotation close. 50. What should write students? End. Okay. Now go on this run command. Start. Now I am using the diagonal lines. Say student, this is the black because we have selected the color 0. Okay. If color 1 we have taken, run, start. Yes, color 1 is blue, so here blue output. Now students, color 2, run, it should be green students, so output what you will see? Green option. Yes, this is the green. Okay. Then next is color 3, run command. Now students, this is the cyan. Okay. So by this way students, we have understood. Today we have we have taken mode, how to draw the square, rectangle, and also with the help of diagonal lines how to draw this rhombus. How can we draw the rhombus? We draw a rhombus. We have done this figure, and color command also we have used students. So now understood students. Students, now today whatever we have discussed, you have to practice at your home. You already system, so with the help of system, first download QBasic, or from the software vendors you can purchase it. Okay, very small software, you can easily use it, and already you have downloaded maybe because previous classes before half yearly you have done QBasic, so you have already downloaded or you have purchased. So students, these all are should be practiced. Then next, if we will take June class, then we will ask the questions basis on this one, and everyone be prepared. So students, now I am leaving the class. Jai Hind class. Thank you students.